Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make dog in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So let's start with earth, and we'll get wind and add it here into earth right here, and we would have dust. And after that, you want to go with wind again, and then from here, add it into dust, and you would create a sandstorm, and then go for dust again. And then we're gonna go for earth so that we can create a planet and then combine it with sandstorm. And after that, you want to go with earth and create a life. And then you want to go with earth again, and then you want to go with planet so that you can create a moon. And then you want to go for wind right here. So we're gonna put it here, and we're gonna go add it into the moon. So now we have a werewolf, and we're gonna add earth into our werewolf so that we would create a wolf. And after that, you want to go for earth again and go for the wolf, and then you would have a dog, and then you can just add it to life, and then you would have a pet right here. But if you don't want it to convert into the pet, then don't add it to life. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.